Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the volume of your headphones or your headset on your PlayStation 5. So there's two different ways we can do this. The easiest way is to press the PlayStation button, then go on over to sound right here. And then we will have the option for volume. So our output device is selected to our headset. Select this, then go to volume, and we can adjust the volume of our headset right here. So I have mine all the way up to 100%. Then we can also back out of here and go to settings, scroll down to sound, then go to volume. And we have the option for headset right here. Also, we do have the option to adjust the controller speaker if we have the audio coming through our TV. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.